Today, we're diving into the features of the antique watch face 052. Discover the ultimate in watch face personalization with 30 color themes and 10 hand styles to choose from. Enjoy realistic, animated metallic gears, and enhance your watch face with text, range, icon, and image complications. Stay on top of your health and schedule with heart rate, date, battery, and step count displays. Track the week and day of the year, and admire the moon phase display. Benefit from an optimized bright always-on mode with 4 background brightness levels to save battery life and suit your preferences. Let's explore the details of each feature. Go to Customize option and you can explore 30 color theme options to personalize your watch face to your liking. Dark background LED and light background LED options also available. Choose from 10 hand styles to customize the appearance of the watch hands. Also, last hands has glowing effect which looks amazing in dark. Enhance your watch face with 2 short text or range value complications from a curated list of options. Add visual interest with 2 icons or small image complications from a diverse selection of choices. The optimized bright always-on mode offers a better and pleasing appearance, especially during the night. For always-on mode with 4 different background brightness levels, you can save battery life and adjust the appearance based on your needs. You can't find any different on normal mode. Brightness adjust only for background. Hands look same all 4 setting. We have a wonderful selection of watch faces that we think you'll absolutely love. Explore our collection and discover a range of styles to suit every occasion. As a small, independent brand, we thrive on the support and enthusiasm of our community. You can find the Play Store link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you for watching.